Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the iPad model and grabbing a computer and cable. Once ready, turn the iPad off to force recovery. Press and hold the home or top volume button depending on model while connecting to the computer. You do this so the device boots into recovery mode rather than normal startup. Make sure Finder or iTunes is running on the computer. The app must detect a device in recovery before you proceed to restore the firmware. Once Finder or iTunes detects the iPad in recovery, click Restore to erase the device and install the latest compatible iPad OS. You should allow the software to download the firmware. This can take 10–60 minutes depending on connection speed. If a separate IPSWA file is required, select it manually in the app and start the restore. Make sure you do not unplug the cable or close the computer during the process, because interrupting firmware install can brick the device. After restore completes, the iPad reboots to the Hello Setup screen. Follow steps to choose language, network, and sign in with the Apple ID originally linked to the device. If activation lock appears, you need the owner's Apple ID and password to proceed. Without them, the device remains unusable. If the restore fails, try a different cable, USB port, or another computer and retry recovery mode. If you still hit errors, note the error code for targeted help from Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.